Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Isaiah Zimmerman, one of the founders of Beyond the Block Consulting and the new Resonance AI copywriting tool. So what we have built here is something that we call a character-first AI copywriting tool. Now, this methodology was developed in part due to a close friend of mine's genius ability to kind of capture what it means to embody a character from the perspective of acting. We've taken this process of character study and we have actually evolved it into a tool that will allow you to write genuinely compelling copy about your offer in a way we have never personally seen before. We're really excited to announce this tool to this group of beta testing individuals, and we're putting it here publicly for the first 100 people to test entirely for free. Now, what I will show you today is a quick tutorial through the tool. And yes, it allows for single sign-on via Google. And once you get past that, everything is up to you on how you want to create your copywriting within our framework, given that you are willing to put in the effort to answer 12 to 14 quick questions. So without further ado, I'll jump straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how we have built Resonant AI. So here we go. I'm going to jump straight in here, and in our beta version of the app, as you can see, it's hosted on Replit. We are showing you a preview. This is kind of our quick demo walkthrough of how to use this tool and get your best results. And so we're going to have a series of questions that you're going to fill out. These questions are then going to lead you into a character study. Double check that the details of your character study are accurate to your ideal client, and then regenerate if needed. Don't worry, no credits are going to be deducted in this step, and right now it's all free anyway. So that being said, from here you'll have to wait about 2 minutes because there's a massive amount of prompt chaining happening in the back end to really dial this in to copy that we believe comes as close as 85 to 90% complete to your offer. The only thing that you have to do is kind of mix and match what you think will work best and then add your calls to action. Now, what we will show you is 2 ad bodies and up to 15 hooks. These hooks and ad bodies can be combined. Given that you approve all of them or 10 of them, let's say you have 2 ad bodies that you do appreciate and 10 hooks. You now just created 20 ads in 2 minutes after pressing submit on those questions. So with that being said, I'm going to hit next. I'm going to move into the review page here as we kind of left you a little note. Wait 2 minutes for your ad copy. Again, there's a lot of prompt chaining here. We put some fun facts on the screen during this load time, and we're going to reduce this load time in the future to the best of our ability. But again, we just want to get this tool out to people because we really think that for a direct response marketing copy tool, this is one of the best methodologies that we've seen to date. That being said, our AI is going to generate your ad copy, 2 ad bodies, 15 hooks in total, and then you can choose to save your generation, regenerate with additional instructions, or go back and try again. So let's get started. So right here, I've gone ahead and I've pre-filled these questions. I'm going to read through them gently, or at least quickly, generally, whatever you want to say, as they take some time to answer thoughtfully, but I want to show you what it is that we're looking to see in these inputs. Now, remember, with all AI, if you put garbage in, you're going to get garbage out. So be thoughtful and be careful as you fill these questions out to the best of your ability. And if you need help, please do not hesitate to reach out to me because I'm willing to kind of go through this process with you as you are willing to test our product for us. So who are you speaking to and what is their primary objective? Define your ideal customer profile and what they're doing. For us, it's coaches, consultants, course creators who are wanting to do direct response ad copy. This also includes agencies. So what are they doing exactly? I know this question is worded a little odd, so I'm going to give you an example here. They are launching their offer via paid direct response marketing advertising. So that is what our ideal customer is doing. And you know your ideal client better than us, and you know exactly their goal or where they're stuck in their business, their personal life, etc. So what outcome do they want, right? What are they going to try to achieve? They want to consistently and effortlessly be able to create compelling, emotionally driven, direct response ad copy. So what tool or product may they love to have, right? They would love to have a reliable ad tool that generates copy that doesn't sound like a 90s infomercial about Billy Mays trying to sell you OxyClean or the ShamWow guy cleaning up Coca-Cola, right? And actually understand their client and their pain points. So from here, I've just given you those quick examples. I'm going to go ahead and move ahead now in this process. This basic info, I think you understand how to fill this out now. From here, we're going to switch into pain points, what their deeper motivation behind their need, what are their current roadblocks, and what have they tried, right? What results did or did they not get, and what will happen if they don't get it? What more things present challenges, right? So we're asking these questions to get a full and complete picture of who your ideal client avatar is and what works or doesn't work, what they have or haven't tried, what your perception of their perceived need is, and how we can really dig into the pain points as we lean into this AI generated character study that will be used to actually generate a full kind of profile on who this individual is in the real world, right? And so once we've decided who that is and how they operate in the world, then we can really look at creating and curating content or copy that is character first, right? And this puts them in directly being the person who is spoken to by the advertisements that you're going to be able to generate here. So again, next, final details, right? So here we go. Once I go under review and analyze these responses, like I mentioned, you'll see some fun facts here to just fill the time. This is the faster load screen. But now what we have got is a character profile. Now I'm doing this in real time. So again, nothing here, no cuts that I'm willing to do in this video to show you guys the actual raw end-to-end process. Your target audience is a coach, consultant, or course creator who is launching their offer via paid direct response marketing advertising. They also want to continuously and effortlessly create compelling, emotionally driven direct response ad copy. They would love to have a reliable AI copywriting tool that generates authentic sounding copy so that they can effortlessly drive sales that resonate with their target audience to generate more money and help more people through their offering. However, their roadblocks are around consistently creating concise avatar-specific copy in a reliable and repeatable manner for frequent ad testing. They don't know how to do any of that. It is very hard to achieve effective direct response marketing campaigns. And they've tried writing copy themselves, hiring copywriters, and using basic AI tools, but it just does not provide those cost-effective results that are leading to, and it is leading to scattered outcomes that lack testing variability. They really want to have an AI solution that generates authentic copy, that understands their clients' pain points, and without it, they know that they will never create that sustainable marketing strategy, causing them to go unnoticed among competitors. They are also wary of the creative barriers and the self-doubt in their ad writing capabilities, especially when they have extensive experience defining their offer and selling proven products or services through their business. But generic ChatGPT agents and copywriters are not possible because they're time consuming to configure and still produce robotic, inauthentic copy that lacks emotional resonance with the audience. So here we have the summation of the former questions. And if you would like to edit these answers, it's doable. You just hit edit. It'll take you right back. The review is going to reload in this moment just to make sure that you didn't change anything on us. And then from here, you can also remake your character profile. I'm not going to press that button because I don't want to have to copy and paste all my answers back in. However, I'm going to hit generate ad copy, and this will take about 2 minutes. So this is the only pause in this video that I'm going to do. I'm going to press pause now, and I will come back immediately upon this coming back around. All right, so the ads have just generated, and here we are with the ad bodies and the hooks. Now, I haven't taken any time yet to really dive into these, and I will admit that I have a feeling just from reading the first sentence of the ad body that we kind of missed the mark here. Now, again, I'm trying to generate ads for a SaaS product when I specifically told you all that this product is for direct response marketing copy for coaches, consultants, and course creators, as well as agencies, right? So there may be some discrepancies here, and that's the reason why we're testing this tool. The more outcomes that we see from the inputs, the more we can refine how accurately the product is going to actually be able to generate copy for you. Now, right off the bat, what I'm noticing here about the ads and the ad bodies here that I don't actually prefer is this kind of missed the mark. I help established service providers overcome marketing paralysis through neuroscience-based communication frameworks. not so much, right? However, I do help established service providers overcome marketing paralysis. So that being said, we will transform their expertise into magnetic messaging that attracts ideal clients. So here we have 2 lines that we can take out of this first sentence that are really good. You're going to learn to discover how to leverage your existing client success patterns to create compelling marketing content, learning to translate your deep understanding into words that resonate authentically. I do believe in this. So again, 1 out of these 5 claims has been wrong, 80% like we talked about. Through this process, you'll develop an intuitive system for consistent, confident marketing that feels aligned with your expertise, leading to a steady flow of qualified clients who deeply value your unique approach. Okay, next, we're going to look at one of the hooks before we go on to the other ad body. And we say, it is a special kind of frustration when you're excellent at serving clients, but you struggle to communicate that value in ads. That disconnect between knowing your worth and feeling like an amateur at marketing, it weighs heavy. But here's what most of you don't realize. The same intuition that makes you great at helping your clients is exactly what makes for compelling ad copy. You're not missing some magical creative gene. You've already proven that you understand your audience deeply. You just need a reliable way to translate that understanding into words that resonate. So that's a really long hook, right? But the reason we've gone longer here rather than shorter is we want you to be able to take what is good and kind of extract that and workshop it and add your twist. Now, what you'll obviously see here is that that hook can now be paired to the ad body above, right? So you just need a reliable way to translate that understanding into words that resonate. I help established service providers overcome marketing paralysis, transforming their expertise into magnetic messaging that attracts ideal clients. You'll discover how to leverage your existing client success patterns to create compelling marketing content, learning to translate your deep understanding into words that resonate authentically. Through this process, you'll develop an intuitive system for consistent, confident marketing that feels aligned with your expertise, leading to a steady flow of qualified clients who value your unique approach. Now here, all I have to do, because I have a successful hook and I have a successful ad body, is now I just need to introduce my own CTA, right? So for example, for us right now, my CTA on the back of this would be leading to a steady flow of qualified clients who deeply value your unique approach. That's why I'm inviting you today to try our tool, Resonance AI, completely for free as we begin to bring forth a new method of AI character-first copywriting. Click the link below and join now. So there you go. I literally, from start to finish in under 15 minutes, was able to complete a process that I have not done a single time prior to this Loom video. I wanted to make sure that this was raw. I wanted to make sure that this is unedited. I want there to be mistakes because I want to show you guys that mistakes are part of the creative process, even when we're co-piloting with AI tools. So I'm going to save you guys the time, as I'm sure many of you have ignored me and continued to go and read onto some of these hooks, or you're wondering what's under my floating head here in the other ad body. But I just want to say that start to finish, we have generated some copy, some ads, a new perspective for an offer that I have never written ads for. And all I had to do was define who I was speaking to and what you all have tried. So I want to thank you for taking some time to watch this tool, to see this demo, and I hope that our new Resonance AI tool and this free test and these generations can help you to create copy in a way that you never thought was possible with AI. So again, my name is Isaiah Zimmerman with Beyond the Block Consulting, and if you would like to try Resonance AI, the link will be down below in the description of this video.